Creating and assigning an IAM policy. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create a custom IAM policy in AWS, how to define permissions in JSON format, how to assign the policy to an IAM user, how to give the user limited access to a specific S3 bucket. Step 1. Navigate to IAM policies. Navigate to IAM, Identity and Access Management. From the left-hand menu, click on Policies. Step 2. Create a new IAM policy. Click on Create Policy. For this video, we'll define the policy using JSON format. Click Next and give your policy a name such as My Demo S3 Policy. Review the policy and click Create Policy. Step 3. Create and assign the policy to an IAM user. Navigate to users from the IAM console. Click Create User. Name the user S3 User. Set access permissions. On the permission screen, select Attach Policies directly. Search for the newly created policy, My Demo S3 Policy, and attach it to the user. Click Next, review the details, and then click Create User. Recap and next steps. In this video, we created a custom IAM policy using JSON. Assigned the policy to a new IAM user. Limited the user's access to a specific S3 bucket. Next steps. In the next video, we will generate the access key and secret key and demonstrate how to use them to write into the S3 bucket using AWS CLI. Stay tuned and see you in the next session.